Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Li step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. Li. To stand. To set up. At once. For example, 独立 独立 independent. Independent. Are you an independent person? Are you an independent person? 你是一个独立的人吗？你是一个独立的人吗？ Are you an independent person? 你是一个独立的人吗？ Are you an independent person? 你是一个独立的人吗？ Li in cursive. Li, to stand, to set up. At once. 独立 independent. Are you an independent person? 你是一个独立的人吗？ Li. Please comment any words or sentence with the character Li. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.